Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Instant Pot Bacon Ranch Chicken. Alright guys, I'm starting out in my Instant Pot. I have 2 large chicken breasts, and these things are like this big. I don't know what they're feeding chicken nowadays. Maybe I don't want to know. I'm going to start by adding in a half a cup of water into my Instant Pot. And I have a pack of ranch dressing seasoning mix. Not ranch dressing, but the seasoning mix. And guys, this recipe is so quick and easy and delicious, you're not going to believe it. I'm going to sprinkle this pack of ranch seasoning down into the pressure cooker, all over the chicken and down into the water. And I have an 8-ounce block of cream cheese. I left warm up just a little bit to room temperature. I'm going to go ahead and get that down in there. It's not cooperating with me, guys. Hold on once. Just knock it down in there. And I'm putting it on top of the chicken for the most part so it doesn't burn on the pot. Okay guys, I'm going to put my lid on here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 10 minutes. Then I'm going to let it do a natural release of pressure for 10 minutes, and then we'll pull the chicken out and shred it. Alright guys, now that my chicken's done cooking, I left it to that natural release and I shredded it all up. I'm going to go in and stir it around into that ranch seasoning liquid, and I'm also breaking up my cream cheese that was in there, just blending it all through. And guys, this is smelling really good, and you see all that chicken those 2 breasts made. Like I said, I swear they're butchering up dinosaurs and packaging them as chicken these days. And my Instant Pot is set on the warm setting. Now I have 5 strips of bacon I crisped up in the oven and I broke up. We're going to get them down in there. Let me stir them in. And like I said in the beginning of the video, guys, it's a really quick, easy, and delicious meal for a weeknight when you work all day. And I didn't drain any of my liquid off. That chicken's just absorbing it up, and that's going to make the chicken even more moist and tender. Now lastly, I have some shredded cheddar cheese I'm going to sprinkle in here. I'm going to put a healthy coating in there. I'm going to stir that down in a little bit. Get that incorporated into the chicken. And guys, Dexter was in there just chatting up a storm till he heard me throw the word chicken around a little bit. Too much for him, and it kind of got him uncomfortable. I'm trying to convince him that chicken comes from a dog, but I'm not working out so well with that. A little more cheese in there, guys. Cover the top. Okay, now I'm going to put my lid back on here and let this sit for a few minutes till that cheese melts. Then this will be ready to go. Alright guys, this is done. My cheese is all melted. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I also went ahead and made some creamy garlic shells to go with this. Let me get in here and try the chicken. As you can see, it's nice and juicy. Not dry at all. Really good. Tender. Loaded with that ranch bacon flavor. Creamy. Guys, that's really delicious and it wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have an Instant Pot Bacon Ranch Chicken. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you.